The fishy conversation of forms and material. When Pablo Picasso was 8 is 1415, he used to claim to paint as perfect as great masters like Leonardo da Vinci and Rembrandt. But when he became 80 years old, he said that now I can paint like a child. The purity and wisdom is inherent in the acts and expressions of a child but not realized. To realize and re-attain this inherent truth, beauty and joy is important aspect in this post-modern art scenario. Innocence, straightforward, living in his own mythology and fairy tales of mundane events and happenings around. Chandra Prakash, an Indian contemporary artist born in Udhampur, had a taste of materials and surface and its extraordinary microsensitivity for natural surfaces and color of material in the process of their treatment. The formal and symbolic effects of surface with the marks of chisel and sanding on it are distinct in his works. Stone and wood are the primary mediums of this artist, with which he had a long relationship during his professional career. He has made a huge and monumental body of works in wood and stone, sometimes combination of different stones, wood stone and metal wood stone with rope for their own ethnic identities to boost up the content of the work. His work represents a primitive sense with folk elements and traditional values in modern time, poetic analogies and metaphors through simplistic stylized visual words of human body, faces, fishes, bells, arrows, birds and flowers are noticeable in his compositions. The whole artistic language is organic, folk, ethnic and primitive, with a sense of visual poetry and irony on mundane themes from his surroundings. There is an absence of logical seriousness and dominance of the chosen themes and forms, though they seem as primary cause to express the hidden aesthetics of artistic vision and values. The playfulness and sublimity, the visual truth and beauty behind the standpoint of an aesthetical eye is the core essence of his expressions. The delightfulness and simplicity of his forms as defined and effective as the language of folk artists. Motivation of his work is as simple as a child play in the sand or a primitive man draws the history of mankind on the walls of cave. Identity of artist in his process of work, source of joy and passion to achieve the depths of his eternity and universal non-duality. The concept of life after death is derived from Egyptian civilization and the faith for deities and their symbolic forms in temples of villages and town culture. Various surfaces of antiquities carrying archaeological history in it, engravings and decaying of wall surfaces through the happenings of surroundings attracts artists for his sentiments and expression of his inner being. The fairy tales of king and queen, deities, traditional and folk icons, motifs, nature and lotus valleys of Jammu and military activities against terrorism are inherent in subconscious of this artist. His exposure to various international art symposiums and camps is prevalent in his work, as Chandra Prakash frequently keeps traveling foreign countries like Africa, China, Japan, Korea, Switzerland and many others. Possibly he is having a global awareness in his work for traditional values and ethnicity for their native country. Beside wide exploration of wood and stone for his art expressions, he has also explored the possibilities of most antique and organic terracotta medium. Works from Serbia Terra Symposium 2010 are appreciable for their simplicity and ethnicity. Apart from it, he has also worked in Scrap Metal Symposium. Since 1997, artist has been noticeably involved in his professional journey through events and has won many national and international awards, grants and fellowships. He has contributed to various sculpture parks, symposiums and public places in India and abroad. Numerous camps, symposiums and participations in art exhibitions and art gallery activities displays his credit to unbreakable passion for his work. Recently, Chandra Prakash has shifted to Baroda with his family, though he did masters from MS University of Baroda in 2002. But this time, chemistry is working differently with the paper mache, a new medium for his work. Achieving the perfect geometry of a box with sufficient thickness and strength like wood and stone is the command of artist on this organic medium. His childlike and folk-like forms and multiple layers of natural colors and shades with the treatment on them with external pigments is natural in this recent works. Here artist is also sensitive towards the print of newspapers. Various news from surroundings are crushed into material and are alive in the flesh of the sculptural forms, says Chandra Prakash. His recent experiments with the LED lights in colors and their impressions inside view of sculpture and inviting viewer to see it through the lens is like daydreaming fairy tale. The beauty of his personal mythology gives an otherworldly experience apart from this serious world of do and die for money, power, fame and relations. Beauty lies in the eyes of beholder seems to be true to see life through the artistic perspective of Chandra Prakash. In contrast, increasing pollution of synthetic materials and polythene that has threatened life on this earth, paper mache has its organic identity and eco-friendly factor, thus giving strength to the expressions of artist and his vision for life and beauty. His love for nature and environment is well tuned with the identity of this material. His recent work titled Vaidyaji narrates the story of rural and urban Ayurvedic traditional medical practitioner who treats people by instructing them different acts through herbs. A 6-7 feet huge body as strong as wood with a half poetic face and containing various forms inside its box-like body is remarkable. It's executed in the medium like paper mache, the inside view of various forms through glasses, inviting viewers' curiosity to experience various activities of life secretly and magically. The fall of soft colorful light and shadow, warm orange light on the meeting of couple inside the utility object like forms by some folk tribes, objectifying the key whole vision of one's subjective aspect as not as vulgarity but the beauty behind this natural act. These formations and objects are having multiple sensualities, grabbing the attention like forms of faith, trust and nostalgia to attachment and sentiments of traditional motifs with the playfulness and celebration of life. It enables play with the human curiosity for hidden. Here the expression of artist is again like childish tale of his own faith and sentiments. The concept of work is just a vehicle to carry the delight and aesthetical beauty of unquestionable supreme existence as the presence of purposelessness of being in the whole narration of story. Another very interesting work of Chandra Prakash is Gossip. Here two female figures made of paper mache are placed inside the beautifully crafted geometrical box of paper mache only. The secret space of box is packed of door plane with big convex lens in it, like some kaleidoscope or panorama box of a child's fantasy. The box and figures are enriched with sensual surface treatment of layers of color and gold and silver leaf and natural pigment of paper mache. When it's lighted inside, the scene through big lens expose a zoomed view varying from different distances is highly impressive and mesmerizing. Here this work brings viewers to allow in them a childlike curiosity to seek and feel the sensual colors, treatment and the play of light and shade of picturesque view through three-dimensional forms. The medium of this work and the representation of simple nostalgic interest create layers of standpoint for viewers, thus creating an impression of magic and sublimity like it's inherent in William Turner's paintings. Theme and form is just a vehicle for artists to express the ultimate truth, beauty and joy which is our core and formless nature. One of his work titled Migration carries the memories of lake and valleys from his native place Jammu while artist recently migrated to Baroda due to insufficient opportunities and required suitable environment for his artistic growth. The wooden box is also very close to personal box of army soldier for his very personal attributes while proceeding on mission. Flying words are clipped like surpassing desires and imagination related to hometown. Here language of artists is symbolic, analogical and metaphorical, carrying ambiguity of abstract eternity. The inner freedom and beauty is always hidden behind the formal composition of his contextual interpretations. In other words, his works are living poems in solid forms and visual effects.